and then to 4, and then to 3. And you see the British pound go from 4, 5, 6.5, 7. This is the kind of reversal that you want to see as the market is moving in this area here. You want to see that the US dollar goes down in strength and that the British pound goes up in strength, because that's showing that this movement here isn't just a one-shot deal. Remember, once the market is traded and it's only gone a couple of hours, okay, at this point in our life, right here, we have no idea if the British pound is going to rocket to the upside, or if it's going to rocket to the downside, or if it's just going to trade sideways. We have no idea what's going to happen. But by looking at the strength of the currency, we'll have a much better picture of what is likely to happen. So we're going to, if the market is strong, if it has a high likelihood to continue trading, then you're going to see the market, like the British pound, pop up, trade sideways while it stays strong. That's the key. When the price is going nowhere, you want to see that the strength is staying high. Now, the other thing about Hercules is this. When the British pound and the and the euro rather are outside of their sweet spot, you're typically going to see their strengths drop off to a very low level. Here you can see that the euro is trading, or the strength is only 2.6 and the pound is 4.25. That's pretty normal for this time because nothing is going on. So overall, if you look at all of the strengths, you can see that there's really only one leader, and that's the Japanese yen. But we're right at the open for the Japanese market. 9 o'clock Eastern time is right at the tail end. The Japanese yen, of course, is going to be the strongest currency in the Asian session. So remember, when you're looking at the currencies and you're looking at the strengths, don't get fooled into thinking that just because the British pound is a weak currency right now, that you can get away with selling it. You have to remember the sweet spot rules still apply. Now, having said all of that, there's really nothing going on. We don't see any pattern. Even though the market has made an enormous move to the upside, we don't want to get ahead of ourselves, because remember, the market has just come right into resistance. Okay, so at this point, the prudent trade is going to be to wait for the market to break above the resistance level right here, which, let me go ahead and write this in for you. So long trades above 1.9641, perfectly acceptable, but you want to wait for a pattern. Remember, you want to see the market pop up, show a flag pattern. You want to see the market pop up, pennant pattern, or show a flag pattern. Or you can wait for the market to pop up and form the little dipper, where you're looking to buy as it moves back down. Remember, just because the market has made a significant reversal doesn't mean that it has to continue. We're still contending with this midterm downtrend, which is going to pressure the market. We're also still contending with the fact that the British pound has broken out of a 2-year trend line. Okay, so we can't forget all of that and throw it away. So, breaks, again, let me be clear about this. Breaks above this, I'll actually just put this 1.9640. So breaks above 9640. That's a level to look to go long above that, but make sure you're waiting for a pattern. Really, nothing's forming up yet, folks, and I can't say anything more than that. Remember, I can't predict the future. Okay, so just keep your eyes open, keep your powder dry.